Question 27. Explain how to find the exact value of the secant of 19 pi over 6. So, in any exact value question, there's a few things that we do. The first thing that we want to do is to determine the quadrant. And if we determine the quadrant will help us tell whether our ratio is positive or negative. So determine the quadrant. This tells if the ratio is positive or negative. So let's do that for this particular question. 19 pi over 6 is bigger than pi over 6, which is, of course, 3 pi. So it's slightly bigger than 3 pi. And how much bigger is it than 3 pi? Well, it's pi over 6 bigger than 3 pi. Right? Because knowing that 19 pi over 6 is a little bit bigger than 3 pi, we could actually make an equation if we want. 19 pi over 6 equals 3 pi plus pi over 6. So odd pi's are right here. And we're going a little bit further than that. Right, so we know we are in quadrant 3. So in quadrant 3, all students take calculus. So in quadrant 3, we know that the ratio for secant is negative. In quadrant 3, secant is negative. All right. So we have that part. We know that our ratio is negative. The second part is much easier, probably. Second part is use the reference angle to get the ratio. And our reference angle is simply pi over 6. So we are going to want to draw our pi over 6 triangle. So, our 30, 60, 90 in degrees. So if we look at this, this is pi over 6, pi over 3, and opposite pi over 3 is root 3, 2, and 1. So what do we know? We know secant of pi over 6 is, so pi over 6 secant is 1 over cosine. So cosine is adjacent over the hypotenuse. So secant of pi over 6 is going to be the hypotenuse over the adjacent. Okay? So use the reference angle to get the ratio of pi over 6. So the reference angle is there. So our final answer, we got to put both parts 1 and 2 together. So the secant of 19 pi over 6, right? The negative comes from part 1, and the ratio of 2 over root 3 comes from part 2. I'm actually not sure what they're looking for in this, answer. Do they actually want you to find it? But I think if we explain as we're going, that should be sufficient. So the secant of 19 pi over 6 is negative 2 over root 3.